We're doing a bit of work on it today. Let's see what we've got done. First thing I did was tackle the door, took it off the hinges. Now she opens fine. Put in screw and eyes, or hook and eyes. Inside over there, shelf for Mr. Buddy Heater. Shelf on my right-hand side, shooting rest. A couple of shelves on the left-hand side for storage. Here's the view. Put the 3/4 inch foam pads to shoot off. Place to put the gun. Shooting pad. Put up various hooks here and there. Put up my photos of the 2 deer I got last year. Turning around in the corner. My little broom for keeping her clean. She's alright. Can't wait. Hunting season's coming.